ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಜಿ ನಿಶಾನಿಮಠ್ ಅಂತ ನಂಜಪ್ಪ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೇರ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಕ್ ಸರ್ಜನ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಂಗರ್ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪೀಪಲಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ತುಂಬ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 60-65 years. But nowadays it is even seen in 25 plus, 25 to 45. I've seen a lot of people coming with heart ailments. I've operated 28-year-old, 32-year-old females also. So I think most important reason here is nowadays stress life and also the change of food habits, westernization of food. ನಮ್ಮದು ಏನು ಆಹಾರ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇದೆ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Nowadays most of them have nuclear families, so there's no one to console them and relieve their stress. So most of them live with the stress. ಆಮೇಲೆ bad habits. I've seen people 35 years people come with a history of smoking for more than 10 years, and almost everyone eat non-veg. See, when I was studying MBBS, in our class we used to point out to a person who is a non-vegetarian. Say our class was around 160 students. 160 students, we used to tell, see, that fellow is eating non-veg, this fellow is eating non-veg. We used to count 1, 2, 3, 4. But nowadays it is changed. The table has changed, and we say, see, this person is only vegetarian. Only this person is vegetarian. So out of 160 now, hardly 3-4 people will be purely vegetarian, and most of them are non-vegetarian. So this shift in diet is also most important. And consumption of junk food. As we say, there are 6 whites which are more harmful to the heart. Example, sugar ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಉಪ್ಪು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೈದಾ, milk cream, ಆಮೇಲೆ milk cheese, milk paneer. So these are some of the 6 whites which are more dangerous to the heart. If you are a diabetic or hypertensive, you have to have regular checkups at least twice in a year, because diabetes and hypertension, they carry very high risk of having a heart attack. So if you're diabetic, I suggest at least twice in a year you must have your diabetes checked, TMT, because we don't know when the diabetic people will have heart attack. So one most important thing is, in diabetes, silent heart attacks are more common. At least in 20% of the people have silent heart attacks. See, in normal persons who is not a diabetic ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೇಯ್ನ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. In diabetic, because of diabetic neuropathy, people will not appreciate the pain. At least in 20% of the persons, they do not appreciate the chest pain. They are more prone for silent heart attacks. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 20% of them will have silent heart attack because of diabetic neuropathy. So nowadays a person with a diabetes is considered as a heart disease person. One more important thing is the atypical symptoms of heart attacks. Like normally heart attacker ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, they come with a chest pain, keeping their hand in front of the chest. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದೆ ನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ atypical symptoms ಅಂತಂದರೆ they just come with a back pain. Even I have seen many people consult dentist because of the jaw pain, and also they consult spine surgeon or orthopedic surgeon for back pain, and even they are admitted in orthopedic wards with a traction just for the treatment of the back pain. ಯಾವಾಗ orthopedic surgeon back pain ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದೋ, then they send him to a cardiologist or a physician to treat heart ailment. So one must be very careful about these atypical cardiac symptoms like neck pain and low backache. So even younger people are more prone for heart attacks. So they should be very, very careful. Even ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 25 ವರ್ಷ 30 ವರ್ಷ ಎದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಬಂದರೆ we used to neglect, ನಿನಗೇನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. But nowadays we are very careful in analyzing them, and we take the symptoms very seriously and first rule out any cardiac problems. ಓಕೆ, ಕೊನೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಸಿ, ವೆನ್ ಅ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯು, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಗೋನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಯ್ನ್. ಆ ಥರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವಿತ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನೇಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಯು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಮ್ ದ ವೇ.